Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Harley-Davidson XL883 Sportster. This one comes in a metallic flake hard candy custom purple paint. It is all stock and has just a little over 1,500 miles on it. So let's take a walk around it, then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in perfect condition. Found no scratches, no damages, anything on it. Tires are in excellent shape still. And to be honest with you, the lighting in here really does not do this paint scheme justice. It really needs to be out in the full sun. This Sportster is still stock, so no aftermarket accessories on it, which is up to you, the buyer. Show you the miles here now. 1513 is what's on it. This Sporty will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.